The story and philosophy behind Ho'oponopono. In 1976, a remarkable story emerged from Hawaii that continues to inspire spiritual practitioners around the world. Dr. Hew Len, a clinical psychologist, was associated with the treatment of patients in a ward for the criminally insane. According to widely shared accounts, significant healing occurred without traditional therapy sessions, medication, or direct interaction with the patients. Dr. Hew Len practiced an ancient Hawaiian healing method known as Ho'oponopono. This sacred tradition is rooted in the belief that healing begins with personal responsibility and inner cleansing. Rather than attempting to change others, the practice focuses on correcting what exists within one's own consciousness. Ho'oponopono is based on 4 simple yet profound phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. These words are believed to carry deep energetic power that clears negativity, releases emotional burdens, and restores harmony. Each phrase holds a specific intention. I am sorry represents acknowledgement and responsibility for what exists within awareness. Please forgive me expresses the release of guilt and a sincere request for forgiveness. Thank you reflects gratitude for the healing that is already taking place. I love you replaces fear, judgment, and negativity with compassion and harmony. According to the accounts, Dr. Hew Len reviewed patient files and repeated these phrases as part of his inner practice. As he worked on himself, the emotional and energetic environment of the ward began to change. Over time, patients reportedly showed improvements in behavior and well-being, and the ward itself transformed. This story highlights a core teaching of Ho'oponopono. Words are more than sounds. They are vibrations that influence thoughts, emotions, and reality itself. Through responsibility, forgiveness, gratitude, and love, Ho'oponopono teaches that inner healing can lead to profound external change. The story